Good day, everyone. I am Jayan Enriquez. Today, I am going to discuss the week 1 module. So, for the first questions, we have how does Dr. Germino Abad differentiate communication and expression? So, in communication, one conveys what one thinks and feels at the moment of speech with other speakers. So, in expression, one shapes the language to one's own perceptions or intuition about some aspect or feature of reality, whether that reality has actually been lived or has only been imagined. Second question. So, why do English teachers want to privilege Filipino literature wrote from English as models of good writing? So, as teachers of English or a future teacher, we want to privilege Filipino literature wrote from English as models of good writing precisely because one, the culture and experience from which these points arise are our own history as people. So third, um, define literature in two sentences. So literature, a body of written works. The name has traditionally been applied to those imaginative works of poetry and prose distinguished by the intentions of their authors and the perceived um, aesthetic excellence of their execution. So, third question is give the importance of literature in 21st century world in 6 sentences. So, literature helps us learn and relate to others. So, by reading through other people's experiences and perspectives, we can fully understand their mindset and feel how they think. So it is crucial nowadays since we feel like people are detaching from human engagement by using smartphones and social media. Um, Fifth question. So explain the functions of literature in the society in 7 sentences. So literature allows a person to step back in time and learn about life on earth from the ones who walked before us. We can gather a better understanding of culture and have a greater appreciation of them. So we learn through the ways the ways history is recorded in the forms of manuscripts and through speech itself. So we are now on the sixth question. So discuss the main division and subdivisions of literature and the different literary genres. So literature is broadly divided into two main categories, prose and poetry. So prose encompasses written or spoken language that follows regular grammatical structure and lacks a formal rhythmic pattern, while poetry utilizes structured rhythm, meter, and often employs heightened language
within these divisions. So numerous subgenres and literary genres emerge under prose. We find various subgenres such as fiction and non-fiction. So fiction includes genres like romance, science fiction, fantasy, mystery, and historical fiction, each offering distinct narrative styles and themes. Nonfiction, on the other hand, encompasses genres like essays, biographies, memoirs, and journalistic works, providing factual information, personal experiences, and commentary on real-world subjects. Within the poetry division, different poetic forms and genres arise. These can include sonnets, haikus, villanelles, and free verse, each with specific rules governing rhyme, scheme, syllable count, and rhythm. So now we are on the last question. So differentiate literature with a lowercase letter L and literature with a capital letter L. So literature with a capital letter L generally refers to the body of written works considered to be of artistic or intellectual merit, often studied in academic settings. So on the other hand, literature with a lowercase l generally refers to any written work regardless of its artistic or intellectual merit. It can refer to both fiction and non-fiction works, and it includes books, essays, articles, and other written forms of communication. In short, the capitalizations of literature signals a more formal and specific meaning, while the lowercase literature has a broader and more general meaning.